I'm here with Alex, who interned at the Kick Morning Show.
Good morning.
Hi. Okay, so tell me when you interned for us.
I was an intern January 2014 to end of August 2014.
It's a long time for an intern.
They actually offered me a second internship over the summer.
That's amazing, because usually they're kind of in and out because everyone's kind of crazy. You don't really want to deal with them more than 3 months, but you were with us a long time.
I was.
So tell us what you're doing now.
Well, after I left the show, I got offered a job at Medical Center Alliance as the volunteer coordinator, so I help out in a lot of marketing events. And, you know, over the course of my life, I've always wanted to raise money for kids, but I can only do the $10 donation because I never made a lot of money. So, but this was my opportunity to give back. So I went to our chief nursing officer and I asked, hey, can I raise money for kids? And at work, they always call me Alex the intern.
Oh, that's
so I'm walking down the hallway. They're like, hey, Alex the intern. So it's really cool. So they know that I'm from the show.
Yeah.
And our chief nursing officer loved the idea. So she took it to our senior leadership team, and they not only okayed everything, they gave me 40 days to raise this much money, and they offered to match it.
Wow. So whatever you were going to raise, they were going to match.
100% match.
That's amazing.
And my goal was only $500.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've been kind of talking throughout this whole process, and I know that you were going to kind of surprise me today with this number.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
I have a feeling it's big.
It is big. It is big.
Can you show me?
Well, I might need some help. I have a giant check here.
As checks should be. They should always be a big old check. Okay.
Yeah. So the check is for $10,242.
Oh my gosh.
So we are going to send 2 families to Disney World this year.
Wow, that is amazing. I have full body chills. That's so cool. That's
Do you have a big purse for that check?
I can get one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just going to cart it around with me today.
Yeah, I hope the ATM can accept that.
$10,000, Alex, that is amazing.
In 40 days. And when I first found out that I hit the 5,000 mark, I just started crying because Kids is so important to me. And
you did a project for it in school, you said?
Oh yeah,
I've
done 20-minute presentations in college.
That's great.
And it's my goal to let everybody know about Kids, and now our entire hospital knows about it.
That's amazing. So what kind of stuff did you do to raise money? Give me some examples.
We sold ID badge decorations from recycled medicine vial tops.
Oh, that's a cool idea.
So when you have the medicine vial, it has a colored top. So they would just flip it off, and then we had different colors. So we made ID badge decorations. We had multiple bake sales, and we had a huge gift basket raffle last week that raised a lot of money.
That's great. So that just goes to show you can do small things to make $10,000.
Absolutely. So 2 families are going. So I'm very, very excited.
That's incredible. So you guys have helped us so much. We're so appreciative. You have such a big heart, and we just thank you so much, Alex. That's amazing.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.